Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. So, it is currently here in Texas 94 degrees and partly cloudy, which is not bad. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of 4 paintings, all from Amazon. So, let's start with the smallest one. This one is just too adorable. I love it. It's 2 little birdies. Let me see if you can see the picture. It's 2 little birdies, and they are surrounded by beautiful flowers. And it looks like they're having a conversation. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, this one's called Flowers and Birds, and it's got 22 colors. Let's see how sticky it is. Super sticky. Very nice. Very clear. Let's bring it up so you can see it. See the little birdies and the flowers. It's very pretty. Okay, so let's see. It comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. Let's put it here so you can see it. And this one, I don't know why I put the number, because it says it right here. It's D304. D304. And that comes in handy if you separate, which I do. I separate the painting and I put the drills in a basket. Okay, let's see. So this has 20, like we said, 22 colors. Let's look at the colors very, very quickly. So you got some blues, some grays. This is like a green gray, sort of like a sage. You got a peach and a lighter peach. That must be for flowers. And you got a mustard, a very pretty red, a pink, and a very light pink. And you have a brown and orange. I think this is dark blue, like a peachy, a brown, and more browns. And this is like a dark green. Oh, and you've got 2 more here. So you got a white and brown, and I think the white looks like it's like for the background. Okay, so very nice, guys. I love birds. Who doesn't love birds, right? Okay, so let's move the drills over there and the painting there. Let's grab the second one if I can reach it. Okay, the second one. And I will write the prices on the description box. I forgot to write them down. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is a 30 by 40, and this one has 28 colors, which is a lot of colors for a little painting. But look at it, guys. Look how pretty it is. Look at those bright colors on these butterflies. So you got 3 butterflies. Let me see if I can bring it up. I don't think you can really see that very clearly, but it's just gorgeous. I love the colors on this. And of course, I love butterflies. Very, very sticky. Let me bring them up. Let me bring it up so you can see it. Look how pretty that is. Very clear. See the butterfly? Oh, butterflies. Okay. This came with a tray. This actually came with 2 pens, wax, and a a grip for the pen for comfort for your hands. And it also came with little baggies. Okay, so let's look at the colors. And sorry again for the noise, but I've got to get it open. And these are absolutely beautiful colors. Wow, love these colors. Let me move up the painting. All right. And these are in order. Very nice. Love that. Okay, so you got 2 packets of this beautiful purple. I don't know if you can see it better this way. It's like a dark purple. And you got a light purple. This is actually all these are purple. And as you can see, the painting has a lot of purple. And this one, it's like 2 of these. Yep. 2 of them. I think it's like a dark blue. And you got this beautiful green, and this beautiful green here too. Wow. These colors are stunning. Lots of pinks. You got red, green, like a yellow, orange, yellow. Look at this beautiful blue. Another beautiful blue. It's like a blue purple. Love the blues. Love all the pinks and the orange colors. Wow. Oh, there's more over here. You got a little bit of white, the blue, more purples, more blues, and more pinks and blues. So definitely a lot of blues and a lot of purple in this one. Absolutely stunning. I love the colors, and this is actually going to look very, very pretty. And I would definitely add a little bling on this one. Yeah. Okay. Move that aside. Let's move on to the third one. Okay. The third one is this beautiful one. On the top it says Stalente. It's a 35 by 45, and I just love everything about this one. Love the colors. Love, I think she's a ballerina because it looks like she's on her tiptoes, and she's carrying a beautiful blue umbrella. Look how clear this is, guys. Look at the colors on her skirt. Look at her umbrella. It's just beautiful. This one is 20. It has 25 colors. Okay, let's see how sticky. Very, very sticky and very, very clear, like I said. This comes with the tray, the wax, and the pen. And like I mentioned before, I will put the prices on my description box. Okay, let's open up the colors. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see. I believe these are in order too. I always mess them up, but okay. Maybe if I turn this around, you can see the colors better, right? The white background. I think so. All right. Let's see. Where is them? Oh, here's number one. And let's turn them this way so you can see them. So you got a beautiful blue, light gray, pink, another gray, red, gray, blue, or turquoise, I don't know. It's like a blue-green. Red. Oh, wow. Love this orange. Another orange. More blues. There's 2 packets of those. Yep. Yeah, brown. It's like a peachy, a light pink, a very pretty red-orange. Wow. It's like a purple pink, a dark blue, green, and a gray. Oh, we got more here. And just more greens, peach, and another pink and gray. So this one has a lot of greens and blues, as you can see, because of the background. And it's got pinks. And then all the other reds, and it's for her skirt, and the blues. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I don't know which one is my favorite, but I think they all are. Let's see. And the last one. The last one, guys, is also a ballerina. I guess I was going ballerina crazy that day. So here she is. This one is a 40 by 40. 40 by 40. Okay. And this one has 29 colors. And I don't know if you can see, but it's actually very, very clear. Look at that. And she's just dancing very gracefully. Look at her. She's got a beautiful, oh, this is her dress. I don't know where her shoes are. Could that be it? I have no idea. And there goes her head and her bun. And here she's got her arm. It's just beautiful. Love the blue colors on this. All right, so let's see. It's clear. Let's see how sticky it is. Super sticky. All right, so it's a 40 by 40. And this one came with 2 packets. That's why they put tape on this. All right, and so this has a pen, also a power, oh gosh, what do you call these? I call them scrunchies. for comfort for your hands if you have arthritis, you know. And wax and baggies, which is nice. Comes with resealable bags. So let's see, which one is the first one? I think this is the first one. I don't know. I could have put them all in one bag, but I guess they decided not to. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Okay, let's put this over there. And let's turn this baby around so we can see the colors a little better. I don't know if that helps. And these are also, yep, in order. Okay. So wow, look at that beautiful yellow. That's really pretty. Then you got blue, and then you got a little hitchhiker in there. Oh, look at this green, guys. That's really nice. Another yellow. A little different. One is darker than the other. A green, a red orange. This is a beautiful orange. And you have like a mustard color. Another red orange. Another like green, brown. This is like a brown red and a green. And this one also has one more here, a little orangey one. Okay, why is this one open? It's giving me a hard time. Come on, bag. All right, let's see. So you got this beautiful blue, green, yellows, greens, lots of greens in this, browns, and lots. This is gonna be lots of blues in here too, guys. Beige, gray. Look at this. You got two of these, right? Yep. And look at all these blues and greens. Absolutely beautiful. Love all these colors. All right. So that's it. Those are the 4. So we got 2 ballerinas. This one is 40 by 40, the size. Make sure that it's in the middle. And then you have this one who I think she's just dancing in the rain. Who knows? Remember the movie Dancing in the Rain? Okay. And then you've got the 3 beautiful butterflies. And of course, let's not forget the 2 little birds singing. And who knows, maybe they're having a little conversation there. Okay. And that's it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.